Okay, from here, we're going to go ahead and take the rear sight removal and install tool. Okay, since it's already on and it looks like it's on okay, it just has not been moved over to its correct position. We're going to go ahead with the install side out. I'm going to go ahead and slide this in. Okay, I'm going to slide this in. Right to about where I know this is going to be adjusted just fine in no time at all. It's going to adjust this here. Okay, let me just go ahead and lift this guy up here. This thing that lifts up, and you can turn this when you back this out enough. Okay, now I want to make sure that this lines up just perfect with the dovetail there, right here, because it's in there correctly. It just needs to be moved over slightly. So I am going to mount it right about there and tighten her down a bit. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm just going to snug her down, make sure I have that correct. And go back just a hair. Right there. Snug it down on the side with the side clamp. Okay. Now this only has to go over to these stake marks here. The stake marks are right there. Okay, and it has to really just go just a little bit over. And so that's exactly what we're going to do. And we're going to take this piece here. What I usually do is put that up. This piece goes in here nicely, so you will not bend the rear receiver when doing this. And it'll fit right down there nicely. There we are. Okay, so from here, we're going to go ahead and maneuver this over so that hits those stake marks. I'm going to take this guy out real quick. We have to go. Let me see if I can put this over this way. Move it over this way for you. Okay, I'm going to get a little more light on here because we have to get this stake mark right here to line up with that. Okay. So I'm going to use a little bit of special juice there. I'm going to get this down in here. Okay, so if you want to see the stake mark there, there is our stake mark right here. And it has to go to right here. So it's off quite a bit. All right, here we go. As you can see it moving very slowly. It's kind of hard to get the position of the stake mark in here. If I can adjust this camera a little better, maybe I can. Maybe this way here. Take a look here. Alrighty. Maybe that'll work for you. Let's see what we got here. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. I'm gonna watch that stake mark right there. Let's take a look at that so far. And there we have it. And there we have it right on the stake mark. Okay. You can see that there. It's kind of hard to see. The camera's not the greatest at focusing, but let me see if I can get this here up a little bit. Get that up just a hair. Maybe. All right, maybe you can see that a little bit better here. You see it's right on the stake mark. Right there. And there's another way I make sure that this is absolutely perfect. And I'll show you that trick real quick.